Cardi made it.
I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my shot with me. All the smoke in this air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my strap with me. All that smoke in the air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. They swear that they bout it like Master P. Run that check up, no flex up, them rats with me. Got her all on my dick, know this shit ain't free. She said that they gas, cause she wrapped the weed. I feel like I'm Chester, I'm Bomber Cheese. Try to chase me a bag, now it's after me. No, we not the same, boy, you out my league. We zip to the zoo, y'all a different breed. See, I was so hungry, I couldn't eat.
Alright, so what we're gonna be doing here today is installing these out 7 LEDs for my boy's Halo on his Challenger Scat right here. Alright, so as you guys can see, what I'm doing is I'm running the cords up under the grill here so that they go through the dash, the cords will be hidden, and then we'll mount up the rings up around here. So I'll tap back in a minute and show you guys how that was done. Alright guys, we got some lights on here. Alright, so as you can see, you cannot really see any wires there. I've still got to hide those, but they're super long wires. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie those up. And we'll hide these up under this little panel here. The easiest way to do this, guys, is to run your lights through here, the little pieces in there, so that you can hide your wires out the way. All right, and we've got everything wired up to the battery over here. So let me get everything cleaned up. We'll tap back in and show you the final look. All right, guys, so as you can see, we've got it cleaned up here. All of the wires is hidden up under this panel. Can't see anything. And I tucked the light wires, you can go down in here, so you're not gonna really see too many of those. They're super long though. I don't know why they send them long ass wires, but they are tucked away. And then this is how it looks. I'm going to close this hood.
Cardi made it.
I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas acting they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. And niggas acting they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. 100 shots, I want them dead. Niggas capped out, man, they scared. Drop that Addy and I'm there. Best believe I'm coming fast. These niggas hate, they really fans. I'm on your block, I want my man. Pop his ass just like a pill. His bitch